Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you open the Settings app window in Windows 11, it defaults to showing the system settings. If needed, to show the system settings in the Settings app window, click the System button at the left side of the screen. The categories of system settings then appear in the right pane in the window. You click the System Settings categories in the right pane to change their individual settings, which also appear at the right side of the window. To return to a previous screen when editing the settings, click the back arrow button in the upper left corner of the Settings app window, or use the breadcrumb text navigation at the top of the settings at the right side of the window. This chapter examines the settings you can change within the System Settings category.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.